Top 10 Marine Insurance Claims by Charles Fort, presenting our third 5-year analysis of the most common claims, slip-ups, and calamities. There are some surprises. Way back in 2005, we first looked at the top 10 claims from the BoatUS Marine Insurance Program, and we revisited them in 2013. This will be our third look, and the files offered lots of woe from which to choose. Each time there are more events, hurricanes, snowstorms, marina fires, that change the ranking of claims. The vast majority of boat insurance claims fall into 10 categories. So knowing what they are and how you can avoid them makes it much less likely you'll find yourself in the top 10. For this review, we analyzed 5 years of claims, from 2012 to 2017. Some interesting new findings: 40% of all of the claims filed in the past 5 years were for reimbursement of towing charges under the coverage provided by our BoatUS Marine Insurance Program. However, we're excluding towing claims here, as we've done in the past, so we can more accurately compare to our last two top 10 analyses. Some more observations over the last 5 years. While we had 2 major hurricanes last year, most of the previous years were less hurricane intense. That allowed the striking a submerged object category to overtake hurricane claims as the number 1 spot. These two flip-flop depending on how severe the hurricane seasons are. Hurricane claims, though, are not far behind, coming in second. Collision claims took the third highest spot, beating out the wind and weather category this time. One of the biggest surprises was that lightning claims didn't make the top 10 for the first time. The first study ranked them at number 8, the last one had them at number 10. In addition, wake and theft of equipment claims made the top 10 list for the first time. There were a few other position changes, but the takeaway is that now that lightning claims are off the list. And except for hurricane claims, every other category of claims is mostly avoidable. Fortunately, over the past few years, we've put even more resources, including analysis of some of the top 10 categories, on our website to help you avoid becoming a statistic. Number 10 Wake 2013 rank. N.A. 2005 rank. N.A. This is the first time wake claims made it into our top 10 list. Many of these claims are caused by boats being slammed into their docks from the wake of a passing boat. Extra fenders and proper dock lines can often prevent hull damage in areas with large wakes. Mooring whips are another solution. Other wake claims come from boats that are rafted together and a large wake causes them to crash into each other. While extra fenders may help, it's best to simply avoid rafting in places with lots of boat traffic. While not technically a wake claim, the most serious incidents from wake come from injuries to passengers who get thrown around. See injury claims below. Bow rider boats tend to have the most injuries because anyone sitting in the bow seats is more likely to get tossed up and land hard. In conditions with lots of wake, keep passengers farther aft to minimize the chance for injuries, and let your crew know if you're about to cross a large wake so they can hold on. If you happen to be the boat creating wakes, you should know that under the law, damage caused by your wake is treated exactly the same way as damage caused by a physical fiberglass crunching collision. To learn more, see Boat Wake Damage Liability. Injury claims. The 2013 top 10 list included injury claims, and though they don't make the list this time, they're often the most costly. Settlements for injury claims can reach 6 figures, which is the reason why your personal liability coverage is so important. Many injuries are from inexperienced passengers who may get tossed about in rough water or fall down a companionway. Make sure you brief newbies on where to sit on your boat and any potential hazards they may not know about. If someone gets hurt, let your insurance company know right away, even if it seems amicable. Some injury claims aren't made right away, and after months have passed, it's much harder to investigate them. Many injury claims involve alcohol, an oft-discussed topic in these pages. Unlike in a car, a sober driver cannot guarantee the safety of impaired passengers on a boat. Number 9 Theft of Boat 2013 Rank 9, 2005 Rank 9. While boat theft only ranks as number 9 on our list in terms of number of claims, it's number 1 in terms of the average payout per claim. That's because when a boat is stolen, the claim is for the entire insured value. Even if a boat is recovered, there's often very little left that's worth anything. 90% of stolen boats are taken while on their trailers. Last year we analyzed boat theft and found that the most commonly stolen boat type was a runabout, less than 26 feet, on a trailer, with one or more outboards. Surprisingly, only about 15% of owners whose boats were stolen said their boat had any kind of lock installed. Many said they didn't think they needed locks because where they kept their boats seemed safe. But that thinking is often misguided. Your best tool for foiling the bad guys is frustration. Thieves are lazy, and anything you can do to increase the time or difficulty it takes to steal your boat will discourage theft. To learn more, see Analyzing Boat Thefts. Number 8 Fire and Explosion 2013 Rank 5, 2005 Rank 4. While fire and explosion make up a relatively small percentage of all claims in the past 5 years, the average payout per claim ranks high. That's because, like theft, fire or explosion all too often results in the total loss of the boat. Faulty wiring causes most fires. Most explosions result from fueling issues. Inspect your boat regularly for chafing wires that aren't properly supported, and for corrosion of AC shore power inlets. If you can smell gas, something's really wrong. Get everyone off the boat and have it checked immediately. Finally, make sure you have the proper number and type of working fire extinguishers aboard. To learn more, see Preventing Explosions Aboard, and Boat Fires. Number 7 Grounding 2013 Rank 7, 2005 Rank 7. Grounding ranks consistently at number 7 no matter which way you look at it, across all 3 analyses. While some boats end up total losses from groundings, others escape almost entirely unscathed. The most common boat to run aground is unsurprisingly monohull sailboats with their deep keels. The appropriate charts, whether paper, electronic, or on a mobile device, and a depth sounder are your best defense against grounding. But a depth sounder's usefulness will be limited to confirming that you're indeed aground unless you know how to use it and how to plot your position on the chart. Once you're aground, waiting for the tide or a tow is often less likely to do damage than trying to power off. To learn more, see Running Aground Claims Analysis. Number 6 Theft of Equipment 2013 Rank N. A. 2005 Rank N. A. Theft of equipment makes it into the top 10 for the first time and includes such things as stolen outboards and stern drives, electronics, and fishing gear. Adding personalized markings to equipment can help identify and recover stolen items. By making them obvious, it also makes the items less marketable. Avoid leaving a "for sale" sign posted all winter because it may attract the wrong kind of attention and give someone an excuse to get aboard and look around. Store small outboards off the boat and use locks for larger ones. Stern drive theft tends to be more common in storage yards, so make sure there's adequate lighting and security. To learn more, see Avoiding Theft. Number 5 Sinking 2013 Rank 2, 2005 rank. 3. About main menu news history. Contact us careers partner with BoatUS membership. Main menu membership homepage. Join BoatUS renew membership and towing upgrade membership and towing membership and towing plans. Visit My Account. BoatUS mobile app. Tow BoatUS port locator discount service locator. Member benefits, member savings, FAQs. Insurance. Main menu insurance homepage. Insuring your boat. Free insurance. Quote our policies. Retrieve quote your policy. Make a payment. Policy self-service. Claims information. Claim management. Boat loans. Main menu. Boat loans homepage. Apply online loan rates and terms. Loan calculator. USCG documentation. Boat graphics. Main menu. Boat graphics homepage. Design your own graphics. Boat decals. Boat names. Boat striping. Floating keychains. Resources. Main menu. Resources homepage. BoatUS magazine. New to boating. Boat tech. Hurricane center. Ramp locator. Boating advocacy. Consumer protection. Free safety course. Assign MMSI number. Selling, buying a boat. Classified ads. My Account. Free insurance quote. Join Renew to magazine homepage. Top 10 marine insurance claims by Charles Fort, presenting our third 5-year analysis of the most common claims, slip-ups, and calamities. There are some surprises. Way back in 2005, we first looked at the top 10 claims from the BoatUS Marine Insurance Program, and we revisited them in 2013. This will be our third look, and the files offered lots of woe from which to choose. Each time there are more events, hurricanes, snowstorms, marina fires, that change the ranking of claims. The vast majority of boat insurance claims fall into 10 categories, so knowing what they are and how you can avoid them makes it much less likely you'll find yourself in the top 10. For this review, we analyzed 5 years of claims, from 2012 to 2017. Some interesting new findings. 40% of all of the claims filed in the past 5 years were for reimbursement of towing charges under the coverage provided by our BoatUS